Hello travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you to the land of samba, football, and breathtaking natural wonders, Brazil. From the vibrant streets of Rio de Janeiro to the majestic Amazon rainforest, Brazil is a country of diverse experiences. Join us as we explore the 10 best places to visit in Brazil. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest travel adventures. Vamos lá! 1. Rio de Janeiro. Our journey begins in the iconic city of Rio de Janeiro. Start your adventure with a visit to the towering Christ the Redeemer statue, offering panoramic views of the city. Relax on the famous Copacabana and Ipanema beaches, and take a cable car up Sugarloaf Mountain for breathtaking vistas. Don't miss the vibrant nightlife in Lapa and the colorful Escadaria Salaron. Rio's festive atmosphere and stunning scenery make it a must-visit destination. 2. Iguazu Falls. Next, we head to the awe-inspiring Iguazu Falls, one of the most spectacular natural wonders in the world. Located on the border between Brazil and Argentina, these massive waterfalls are a sight to behold. Explore the Iguazu National Park, where you can walk along the trails and get up close to the thundering falls. Don't miss the Garganta do Diabo, or Devil's Throat, for an unforgettable view. The surrounding rainforest is home to diverse wildlife, making it a perfect spot for nature lovers. 3. Salvador. Salvador, the capital of Bahia, is known for its rich Afro-Brazilian culture and vibrant colonial architecture. Wander through the historic Pelourinho district, with its colorful buildings and cobblestone streets. Experience the energy of Salvador's famous carnival, a lively celebration of music, dance, and culture. Relax on the beautiful beaches like Porto da Barra and Itapuã. Salvador's unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty makes it a fascinating destination. 4. Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, the largest rainforest in the world, is a must-visit for adventure seekers and nature enthusiasts. Start your journey in Manaus, the gateway to the Amazon, and take a river cruise to explore the lush jungle. Discover the incredible biodiversity, from exotic plants to rare wildlife, including pink river dolphins and jaguars. Visit indigenous communities to learn about their traditional way of life. The Amazon's untamed beauty and ecological importance make it a truly unique destination. 5. Brazilia. Brazilia, the capital of Brazil, is a masterpiece of modern architecture and urban planning. Designed by Oscar Niemeyer and Lucio Costa, the city is known for its futuristic buildings and unique layout. Visit the iconic structures like the National Congress, the Cathedral of Brasilia, and the Palácio do Planalto. Explore the city's expansive parks and cultural institutions. Brazilia's distinctive architecture and design make it a fascinating destination for architecture enthusiasts and urban explorers. 6. Pantanal. The Pantanal, the world's largest tropical wetland, is a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. Located in western Brazil, this vast region is home to an incredible array of animals, including jaguars, caimans, capybaras, and hundreds of bird species. Take a guided safari tour to explore the wetlands and spot the diverse wildlife. The best time to visit is during the dry season, from May to September, when animals are easier to see. The Pantanal's rich biodiversity and natural beauty make it a must-visit for nature lovers. 7. Florianopolis. Florianopolis, known as the Magic Island, is a dream destination for beach lovers and surfers. With over 40 beautiful beaches, there's something for everyone, from the bustling Praia Mole to the tranquil Lagoinha do Leste. Try your hand at surfing on Joaquina Beach, or relax on the pristine sands of Jurerê International. Explore the charming downtown area with its colonial architecture and vibrant nightlife. Florianopolis' stunning beaches and lively atmosphere make it a perfect beach getaway. 8. Fernando de Noronha. Fernando de Noronha, an archipelago off the northeastern coast of Brazil, is a paradise for divers and beach lovers. This protected marine park is home to some of the world's most beautiful beaches, including Baía do Sancho and Baía dos Porcos. Dive into the crystal-clear waters to explore vibrant coral reefs and swim with sea turtles, dolphins, and colorful fish. The island's pristine environment and incredible marine life make Fernando de Noronha a top destination for ecotourism. 9. Parde. Parde, a charming colonial town on Brazil's Costa Verde, offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Stroll through the well-preserved historic center with its cobblestone streets and colorful colonial buildings. Take a boat tour to explore the nearby islands and secluded beaches. The surrounding Atlantic rainforest offers great opportunities for hiking and birdwatching. Parde's picturesque setting and rich cultural heritage make it a delightful destination. 10. Recife and Alinda. Our final destination is Recife and its neighboring town Alinda. Recife is known for its vibrant culture, beautiful beaches, and historic sites. Explore the historic district of Recife Antigo and relax on Boa Viagem Beach. Just a short drive away, Alinda is a UNESCO World Heritage Site famous for its well-preserved colonial architecture and lively carnival celebrations. Wander through the charming streets and enjoy the stunning views from Alto da Sé. The dynamic culture and rich history of Recife and Alinda make them a must-visit. And that wraps up our tour of the 10 best places to visit in Brazil. From the vibrant streets of Rio to the pristine beaches of Fernando Denona, Brazil offers an unforgettable adventure for every traveler. Which destination are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel guides. Até logo and happy travels!